Lion là cái là cái nó nhiều lion cả nè nó là alo có nó sắp ra nó có lấy luôn vào cái này lẹ lion này chỉ vậy chứ lion nào Batmas Emmy Batmas خانه انكو شغل قزاسة كشكو Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in Akujo going to public ground in the jungle. And we are going to watch the young people play the football. Woo! Such a beautiful view. How do you feel?
Yeah, good.
Mountains. Can you see? This is mountain. And my daughter Serene is sleeping. She's peacefully sleeping. Okay, I am going to show you. Are we going the right way or are we not? Let's see. But the view is so beautiful, right? Yeah. And we call this ashadu. And then when this comes out, there is black thing inside. You can have it. See, the birds are already eating this ashadu. See, this thing is very yummy. When we are young, these are like berries. Okay. Now I'm going to let my husband try one of the fruit we usually eat. I don't know whether this is actually a fruit, but when we were young, we used to have this. Okay, and our teeth used to be very black. So this thing inside will eat. Try. This is my childhood azandi bastiwala fruit. So, how is it? This is the one, yes. It's fully ripe. Don't pluck everything, just pluck what we need. Woohoo! Yeah! Chew properly, only then your tongue will be black. Yeah! That's the one we are looking for. Birds are enjoying, you know. Have this more. I'll have it. If you are from Nagaland, did you ever tried this one, like ashadu? In Sumi, we call ashadu. Let me show you tongue. Let's show the tongues together. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. So we have fun when we're young, you know. So many. Look at this. I think nowadays nobody eats, right? That's the reason. So many. Last one, okay? There are lots, but I won't have more. I don't think my stomach can take it now. Emmy, rasta nikalo. Okay. Wow, we finally see people. Can you see so many young people playing over there? We walk a long way. This is public ground. I'll go to public ground. See? This one.
After burning it,
I'm going to look. I'm going to collect this and put in my DIY. Oh, I took out from the root, but this is a wheat. It's so fine. Sometimes even a wheat can look so pretty. See? It's so pretty. Enough love, thank you. This. Yep. And that's our house over there. Wow. What? Yes, please. This is a white color. Two colors, one is purple and one is white. Too pretty. I can use for my crafts. Yeah, I think I will take it for my Emmanuel children and we'll make a bookmark with this. My children in Kolkata will also get a little piece of akulto. Touch me not. Touch me not. Not. I think this is very healthy habit. The young people gather like this and play every evening. That's our house over there. It's in the mountains. Yep. House is there. Whew. We're tired walking for so long. This is the lychee farm. See? But these lychees are so small this year. Small lychee. So many. Their farm is still down, okay?
Lots is there. At least 10 to 15 plants is there.
Lune, that's your gift. Thank you, Abza. 哎呀，那人好吃吧？好，好，一老是那好吃，不然那咱那是喂。喂，Amy。Steak and mushroom. He said just the hand word. Look at this juicy, juicy look. This is a premium shiitake all the way from Canada. Wow. Look at the softness. Serene is sleeping with her Annie. Pretty meow meow? Yes. What? Where is the mommy? Shiitake stir fry. Naga platter. This is shiitake mushroom stir fry. This is fish mint chutney. This is pumpkin leaf, machan, and ahoni curry. Enjoying father and son-in-law. Are you enjoying naga platter?
Eating.
Nani ita kya?